In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the header image size in Weebly. It's a quick and easy process that you can complete in just about 5 minutes, so let's get right into it. First, you'll want to head over to Weebly's website, which you can find by searching online for their free website builder. This is where you will start the process of adjusting your site's header image. Once you're on the Weebly homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Enter your email and password into the login fields. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do that first. Once you've filled in your login details, click on the login button to access your Weebly dashboard. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your account's overview page. Here you should see a list of your websites. If you have multiple sites, scan through them and select the one whose header you're looking to change. In the site details section, find and click on the edit site button. This action will take you into the Weebly editor where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the editor, look for the header image on your website. This is usually located at the top of your home page. Once you spot the header image, click on it. This will bring up editing options for that particular section of your site. At this point, you should notice a blue line around your header image. This line is an adjustable guide that lets you resize your header to fit your design needs. What you need to do now is click and drag this blue line either up or down to change the dimensions of the header image. By dragging the line upwards, you'll increase the size of the header, while dragging it downwards reduces it. Feel free to adjust it until you find the size that best fits your vision or meets your site's aesthetic requirements. Once you've achieved the desired size, that's pretty much it, you're done. This simple method allows you to tailor your site's header image dimensions, giving you that custom look without much hassle. Be sure to preview your changes and ensure everything looks just right before publishing your updates. And there you